Hi, welcome to the online program in Rhinoceros for Jewelry Designing, presented by aonlinetraining.com and Online Jewelry Designing. In this video, we will be introducing the Rhino program, its scope, benefits of using the program, and its application in the jewelry sector. Why use Rhinos? Rhino is the number one software used today in the jewelry manufacturing sector. There are multiple programs in the market including Rhinos. We have JewelCAD, Rhino Gold and Matrix. However, Rhinos was voted the number one jewelry CAD program as per the Ornament magazine USA. Let's mention some key features of Rhino. Rhino enjoys a large support from the online community, blogs regarding using Rhinos for jewelry designing. There are many third-party plugins which can be installed in Rhinos to enhance its features for jewelry. Applications of Rhinos. In this program, you will be learning how to use Rhinos for jewelry designing. However, Rhinos is also used in multiple industries like the industrial design, architectural design, vehicle design, and many more. This slide is a 3D tour to the Rhino universe of the fundamental entities which can make up the Rhino universe. There are 4 entities. We have point, curve, surface, solid. Let's start with point. Point is basically used as a reference or a marker, but not for modeling. So we are left with 3. We are left with the curve, surface. It's easy to keep these clear if you look at the top menu in Rhino. We have the curve menu, we have the surface menu, followed by the solid menu. Let's start the tour. Curves can be closed and open. This is an example of a closed curve where we have a circle. At the same time, we have these open curves which are not joined. Few examples for surfaces. These are square surfaces, whereas these are trim surfaces. Surface could be defined where we do not have volume, whereas a solid is a combination of surfaces which also has volumes. It is not necessary that a solid has to be closed. This is an example of an open solid. This could also be classified as a polysurface. To start the Rhino program, once you install it, you would find the shortcut on the desktop. You could simply double click the icon to start the program. Since we have already explained, Rhino has multiple applications. It could be used for architecture, it could be used for industrial design, whereas we are using this program for jewelry designing. Under new, you would select small objects, millimeters, because we would be creating objects in an mm format. Because jewelry is measured in mm in CAD programs. We have options as feet, inches, millimeters, centimeters. Simply click on the small objects, millimeters. The grids which you see on the screen are the construction plane, also called the C-plane. The dark red line represents the construction plane x-axis. The dark green line represents the construction plane y-axis. The red and green line meet at the construction plane origin. The color of these lines can be changed. The construction plane is what you see. By zooming out, it's basically the floor of the workspace. It's basically the floor of the workspace, or you can picture it as the wall against which you created your drawing. The construction plane orients itself according to the direction of the viewport. This is the top viewport. We have the front viewport. We have the right viewport and the perspective viewport. Let's create an object. For example, you click on the box tool. So I'll write 0, enter, and it's creating the base and the height. This is the top view, the front view, the right view, and the perspective view.